In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we take you to a rural community in Clarendon where we met a woman who has gained fame by showcasing the many things she can do with only one arm. With that story, here's Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope. We're at the home of Daphne Williams, a resident in Smithville, Clarendon. Today, Miss Williams will show us what it's like being independent with only one arm and one thumb. It took us about an hour and a half to get here from Kingston. But when we arrived, Daphne Williams welcomed us with open arms. Well, technically, she only has one arm. It's how she was born.
I do not allow my disability to really cripple my vision.
Miss Williams, a former vendor, was itching with excitement to show us the myriad of things that she could do.
I can wash, sew, write, iron, use the scissors, string the needle, peel the food, light my stove, wash up my dishes, clean up my house, spread up the bed.
Not getting a formal education until she was 10 years old, Miss Williams had to teach herself a lot of things. She admits her mother was hesitant to send her to school due to fear of being ridiculed. However, when she started, her teachers and peers were amazed with her level of brilliance.
Even to help out other children, when they don't able to understand, I used to use my feet and I write it and I fold it on a piece of paper like this and I shoot it under the seat for them to get it correct.
Still, her mother is her biggest inspiration.
She wouldn't want to know that anything really happened to me out of her presence. So she always makes herself available of taking care of me in any area that I am in need.
Miss Williams, who lives with her sister, says in her spare time she teaches Sunday school at church.
Bathe them, let them cut their fingernails, help them to read and to spell words and to spell the Bible verses.
She also loves to sew. It's something she wants to do full time.
Even coronavirus is now and mask is selling so much, and if I get the material, I could sell it at a lower cost just to eat my food, to put my food on the table, and bills are there to pay.
But she wasn't always cheerful. At one point in her life, she asked, why me?
My father had 5 outsiders, children, and 6 with my mother. And then after having me, my mother go and have 1 more, and the same one come with 2 hands, and I am the 5th one, and nothing never really happened to that one. But now me realize and see, then I said I'm special.
She's encouraging others not to lose hope.
Don't give up, believe and work with what God has blessed you with. Don't run into another man's lane. Do what you are doing, then you will succeed.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.